Did not see you there. My name is Albert, and I really love playing with technology, as all of you can see. And ever since I was a little kid, I was a huge Batman fan. I always adored his strength, intelligence, and his gadgets. That's why I started playing with technology myself. It all started with simple electronic kits that I was building in my living room. And it was so amazing. You work on something for hours and hours, and when you finally flip that switch, the thing lights up and it actually works. I was so proud of myself every single time, but more importantly, I felt like Batman. I wanted to share this joy and excitement that I felt with the rest of the world. That's why I designed my latest product, CircuitMess Batmobile. This is a small robot car that comes with a controller. It has a camera, a processor, a rechargeable battery, and it can drive around autonomously using AI and machine learning. But here's the catch. This product comes disassembled, like a kit, and you need to build it yourself and feel like Batman as well. While building the device, you will follow a set of detailed tutorials that will teach you about topics like engineering, electronics, and science, and many more skills of the future. But the fun doesn't stop there. After assembling your Batmobile, you can connect it to your computer and code it. You will learn about complex coding mechanisms, such as AI, machine learning, computer vision, and autonomous driving, all while having fun. You will become the next STEM superhero while exploring the world of electronics and programming. There is just one tiny issue. It seems that dads like the Batmobile a bit too much. 4 years ago, a bunch of crazy Kickstarter backers motivated me to pursue my dream and create CircuitMess. CircuitMess is a 20-people company right now, and every day we strive to create the most exciting STEM kits in the world. We have spent tens of thousands of hours researching, designing, and developing our greatest product yet, CircuitMess Batmobile. And we need your help to make it happen. Support us on Kickstarter today and help us shape the future of STEM education. Thank you.